want to talk about AC again. AC repair. Now this is a 2009 Caravan. As y'all can see the body. This is a Dodge Caravan. Now what I want to talk about is AC. This AC don't work. And from the looks of this, you probably can see why. Let me put this line or this light and camera down so you can get a good visual. Y'all see that discharge line going to the condenser? You see all the green stuff right there, all the oil. The whole line is black. That represents oil leak, freon leak, whatever you may want to call it. Now, the only way I was able to find it was my patented AC system service. I went over that with y'all a while back. Well, we simply, the car come in with no AC, we add some AC system dye, and we partially fill the AC system up. Now what's supposed to happen is the customer driving until the AC leak out again. So when they return, we should have a better visual view of the leak, because the old style AC sniffers and all that stuff do not work well. Okay, visual is much better. Now that's pretty simple, right? You just simply replace the leaking line. But what I want to tell you or inform my customers, not my customer, my subscriber, I have a whole long list of minivan owner subscribers out there. All right, let me put this bug in y'all ear, because you may have to take your car to the shop and they find this. This, ladies and gentlemen, my friend, is a recall. Okay, now this is the new line. This line has actually just been redesigned. There's too many loops in the original line, so what they did was redesign the line so it won't make so many turns, and it was bending too much and vibrating too much, which was causing leak. So I don't want you all to waste your money or spend unnecessary money, let me put it like that, taking your car to the shop and getting this AC line replaced. Not, like I said, it's not that hard. In fact, it's pretty easy to replace, but every dollar count, and I want my subscribers to know these things. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. But let me put this out there, ladies and gentlemen. This discharge liquid line is a recall part, so you should not have to pay for this. Chrysler found a flaw in this line and they redesigned it and made it better. So all recalls are considered safety issues. So take your car to the shop and get it checked. Verify if your car has the recall. Like I say, if you have no way to do that, I can do it. Just send me your VIN and I'll do it. But this line, liquid AC line, it's a recall. Alright, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.